eyes that light up the sky. A smile that changes the world. First steps are taken to the future. Endless roads run together. A life that takes on completely different colors from the moment it is born. Children, our children. The name of the success story of a mother who seeks clean and herbal solutions for her child's health needs, which changes the lives of all mothers. Ena Farma. As Ena Farma, we have been contributing to human health since 2009 with our herbal products developed by our expert team. We shed light on the future with the products we produce in pediatrics, ear, nose, throat, dermatology, and internal medicine in our 2,000 square meter production facility in Istanbul. We always aim for the best with the products we produce in liquid, hard capsules, stick sachet, and tablet forms in our supplementary food and medical devices product groups, which we design carefully, considering every detail. We are leading in Turkey with our area in compliance with the legislation for probiotic production, and we are rightfully proud to be the first probiotic production facility to comply with the standards of the Ministry of Agriculture. In the air conditioning unit of our probiotic production area, we use G4, F7, F9 filters and a dehumidification unit, respectively. We produce the water we use in our products with our deionized water system. We produce in accordance with ISO and GMP quality standards in all our areas and support the quality of our products with our stability studies. We make a difference in the sector with our liquid product preparation tanks, which can hold 300 tons per year. Our automatic liquid filling machines can fill 3,200,000 units. Our powder product preparation tanks can hold 192 tons of powder products. Our 5-way stick machine can produce 5,800,000 sachet, and our tablet press machine can hold 62 million tablets. We have been serving human health for 15 years with our qualified products, which we produce using leading innovations and the power of our fully educated and 72% female professional team. We will continue to produce products that protect health and increase the quality of life for many more years. As Ena Farma, we protect your health naturally.